Hi, today I'm reviewing iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the Sounds and Haptics. Here if you want to change the headphone audio settings, we can click on this section, and just to reduce loud sounds we should use this switcher. If you want to change the level of the decibels, we should do this by this way, just by holding swipe to the left or to the right side this white dot. So let's go back. Here we can see ringtone and alert volume panel. Just to change the ringtone and alert volume, we should hold and swipe to the left side this white dot. To change it with the volume buttons, we should use this switcher, and now just by press to the up or to the down to the up or to the down volume button, we can change ringtone volume here. So here we can see sounds and haptic patterns. So just to change ringtone, text, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar, and reminder alert. Sounds, we should, for example, let's change the new voicemail sound. We'll just select one from the sound and go back. We can see that we just successfully changed it. If you wanna use the keyboard feedback sound on the haptics, you should turn on or turn off the switchers. Let's go back. Just to turn on or turn off the lock sounds, we should use this switcher, and to play haptics in ring and in silent mode, we should also use these switchers. To turn on and turn off the system haptics, just also we should turn on or turn off the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.